Hamjambo, karibuni tena kwa kipindi kingine cha Kiswahili na Mwalimu Rose. Tafadhali munisamehe manake nimekuwa na mambo mengi ambayo yanaendelea. I'm just apologizing for not posting recently. It's because I was busy with some examinations, but now the exams are over. I am back again. Thank you for your patience and thank you for visiting my page. Karibuni tena sana na wapenda. Leo tunaenda kuzungumzia kuhusu chakula cha asubuhi, which means breakfast. Today we are looking about the types of food that we eat during the morning. That is breakfast. So misamiati ambayo tuko nayo leo, tuko na chai, mkate, yai, uji, ndizi. Now, what I've just said is our breakfast that we are going to we're just looking at various of them, just a little, so that it will be easy for us to understand. Chai means tea. Mkate means bread. Yummy. Yai, when it is one, it's called yai. That means egg. But when there are many, that is another topic that we are going to be treating very soon. We say mayai, which means eggs. But for now, yai, which is one, egg. Uji, it's porridge. Yummy, I love porridge. How many loves uji? Mimi napenda uji. Ndizi, banana. Ndizi is banana. One more time, please. Chai. I can't hear you. Tea. Mkate. What do we say? Bread. Yai. Egg. Good job. Uji. Porridge. That's good. And now ndizi. Banana. Let me know at the comment section which among these breakfast food that you enjoy most. Mimi Mwalimu Rose napenda uji, chai, mkate, yai, na ndizi. I actually love everything on the chat. Kwaherini and see you next time for another new episode of Let's Learn Swahili with Mwalimu Rose. Bye. Muwe na usiku mwema na wikendi njema.